Hi folks, and welcome back to another Ugly Dog Challenge. Tonight we're going to be doing the Logan Challenge, and he wanted me to try my hand at making a camo lure. So I'm going to try my hand at making a camo lure. I hate to do it, but we're going to wrap this bait and we're going to run with it like that. Kind of a new age redneck style camo. So let's just jump in here feet first and get her going. You want to? So we got this spitting frog is what we got, and we're gonna wrap this bait, get her good and tight, and we're going to be using 3 colors. I'm going to use Coffee Latte, which is a folk art paint, Mossy Meadow, which is a folk art paint, and Thicket, which is a folk art paint. So let's just jump in here feet first and see what happens. You want to? I mean, I'll first attempt at this. If you're going to do this, a lot of people say, oh, you got to use a sponge, but you know what? We're going to try something new, off the wall and different. So let's just jump in there and see what we can do. Well, it's been a long day for me, folks. It's really been a long week. It's Friday night here. We're out here in the shop playing. Trying to get this wrap on there good and tight. I think we're pretty good everywhere except right here on the tail, and I'm going to pull that some more. Oh, there we go. I think we're pretty good there now. So I think the first color we're going to jump in here with, and this is just going to be a different little old bait we're going to do. So we're going to use our Coffee Latte. I'm going to get some brown in these greens. Folks, it's going to be miserable around here tomorrow. We're supposed to have 70-mile-an-hour winds tomorrow. That makes it a good day to play in the shop, in my world. We've had a pretty chilly week this week too. Hasn't been overly warm, has it there, Melissa? I am ready for spring to sprung, folks.
Yeah, I'm tired of hiding inside because it's cold outside.
I'm ready for the lake. Fishing. All that fun stuff that comes with fishing. So yeah, this is Mr. Logan's challenge, so let's see what we can do with it here. There's going to be some white in this camo, and you're going to see browns, and you're going to see greens, 2 different greens. So I think that's a pretty good start, an attempt on one of these. I never thought anybody had asked me to paint a camo bait, but suits me. I'm in it. And let's put some brown out there. Put some brown up on that head. Some brown back here on that tail. A little bit on that gill plate. That's all I want right there. Maybe a touch up top. So you're going to see a lot of color in this bait. So let's clean our good old airbrush out. And we'll mix up our next color, which is going to be our thicket. And then it's a dark color. There, folks. I just want to thank everybody for all the challenges y'all been sending in, and if you're not seeing your challenge right away, it's because we got so many and we only put out one a week. That all might have to change, and we may have to go to 2 a week. But if you hadn't seen your challenge, it's coming. Just stay tuned. We're working on them all the time. I'll blow right on out of there. Jump in here and hit some of that darker green right there. Spray a little bit into that black or brown. Hit some right in here. Go down and hit some around that tail. Come around this side and hit some. And let's get under that belly with some. Because we're going to come back over that with a different green. So that really is going to be just fine. It's going to be a different bait. So that's about that one. Now we're going to be off to our next color as soon as I clean this brush, which is our Mossy Meadow. And it's a folk art paint. I've used that paint a lot in this shop because I really like it. So we're going to heat set this right quick before we start with our Mossy Meadow. And we'll probably come back with other colors and do a little bit more work on this bait. Come here, blow dryer. I don't know why you keep running off over there on that table. Okay. Well, let's mix our Mossy Meadow up. Yeah, I might need a hair bit more than that. About that much. A little bit of thinner. Mix it up. Let's see here. A little bit right there. A little bit down there on that tail. Let's blend a little bit up into that darker. A little bit across there. A little bit up on that bottom. Just a tiny bit there, and you can actually see the browns coming out. Can you see the browns in there, Melissa?
I can't see nothing because you're wearing a camo jacket and it's hiding.
Oh my gosh. You just got to find something to be mean to me about, don't you? All the time. Nah, folks, we're just playing. We play a lot like that. She's mean to me, and then I go outside and cry, and then I get over it and come back in the shop. So that's how that
so
works.
Full of crap, gosh. You know they see right through you.
Yeah, probably, but they see I have a good time. So. And I get away with more than most men.
Right. Because you wear glitter on your face?
Yes.
Because it is everywhere. It's all up in your mustache.
Oh, sometimes it is.
Next to your nose. Like right now, I'm looking at it. Like a glitter bomb.
There we go. Get a little bit of that mouth. Just kind of blend it. Now I'm gonna take this bait, and I really want to lay it at an angle, like that right there. And I just want to mist that brown up that bait a little bit. Kind of like that right there. And then I'm going to take the dark green and I'm going to go just the opposite way that I went that time. And I'm going to spray the dark green at that angle.
Alright, so I just realized.
Huh?
You have your new jacket on.
Do what?
You have that new jacket on.
It's not new, honey. It's okay. It'll be only a work jacket after this year anyway. Okay, that's all I want to do right there, folks. So, clean my brush out. We'll heat set that right quick. Let me pull the tool off of it. See what we got. Now, he wanted orange eyes on this, so I think that's going to look just prettier than an abandoned beer truck myself. So well, that's pretty cool bait. I tell you what, it's time to do a bunch of baits without wrapping the tool on them. Everybody probably getting tired of seeing that. That tool is a very useful thing around the bait shop. You can do a lot of things with that tool. There he is with his orange eyes. That looks pretty good. This bait will get 0 glitter. Just 1 and 1. On the epoxy, and we're going to use BSI. And we're going to have to move our clips around here to the belly so that we can get inside that mouth, so you can even see the colors in that mouth. So, different camo than anybody's probably ever seen, but I think it looks pretty good. So, let's get us 1 and 1 here. There you go, look at that, baby.
Too close.
So I always clean these slits out on these frogs, because I want that water to be able to spit up through them slits in that bait. So Mr. Logan, there you go, buddy. Hope you like it. It was a lot of fun to do. I had a great time. So remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Hit that notification bell and that thumbs up. And interact. Ask me questions. Challenge my old mind. Make me think. That's what keeps me going, is doing this for everybody. And the fact that I really, really enjoy it. I love getting out here and doing this and spending time with my wife, even though she probably don't feel the same, but she might. I don't treat her too badly. So there you go, buddy. May not look exactly like camo, but it's pretty close.
It really does hide in your jacket, but it's kind of funny.
Huh?
I said it really does hide in your jacket.
So Logan, I hope you enjoyed this video, buddy, and I hope you liked the lure. And remember, folks, to submit a challenge, go to the website, UglyDogLures, and there's a challenge button. and a claim prize button. So when we do the drawings and the giveaways, if you win, you just hit that claim prize, and it'll bring up a column where you fill in your address and stuff, so we'll know where to send it. And hit the challenge. Then all the rules are there. Just look down there through them rules and submit me a challenge. I mean, I did French toast the other day. I've done camo now, so I mean, I'm ready. I'm ready to do challenges. Submit me a bacon challenge and I'll paint a lure that looks like bacon. You know all the fish is going to like that because bacon makes everything better. So you folks have a very blessed evening, and I'll catch you later.